Welcome to How Much YouTube channel. My name is Idan and today I'm going to introduce you the first DogeCoin Solo miner in the world. The way the DogeCoin algorithm works is there's actually 10,000 Dogecoins every minute forever. So there is no halving event like Bitcoin where every 4 years the amount of mining you can do divided by half. This one specifically is 115 mega hashes. That's the performance of this DogeCoin miner. It takes very little power and now I'll show you how to set it up, how to build it. Let's do it together. It's extremely simple. You just need a screwdriver. Let me show you what's in the box. You're gonna get the power supply, a cable. There's gonna be 4 screws for the mount, and then some 3D printed parts, which is the mount. And I will do it with you together, show you how easy it is. Here is the Scrypt miner itself. As you can see here, it has a large screen that is also color screen, big fan, heatsink, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So the first thing we're gonna do is use the screws and screw this together with the included screws. Now we use the mount and put it in, clicks in like this. Now grab your phone and connect to the Wi-Fi that's going to show up on the screen. You can either scan it or just go to your settings and find hammer_294D, and then the next step is to go to 192.168.4.1. although it might pop up on its own automatically. It actually popped up on its own, so that's very good. The next thing to do is to go to your network. We're gonna change the Wi-Fi here to your Wi-Fi in your house. You can click on the search. It will look for all the available Wi-Fis. I'm gonna go ahead select Artificial Intelligence 2G. Now remember, it have to be 2G, and then you can put your password inside right now. Once you set up your DogeCoin miner, you see the IP address on the screen. On my case, it's 192.168.0.125. You see this web page that lets you control your DogeCoin miner. You see the hash rate is 118 mega hashes, which is over what's advertised, which is great. The temperature is 40 C. It's very, very low. It's consuming only 29 watts. You can easily set up a new Wi-Fi if you like. I already changed the DogeCoin address to mine. Make sure you change it to yours. Here I use doge.bitcoinmerch.com, 2.3333. That's the address to mine solo Bitcoin on our Dogecoin pool. Okay, now let me show you how it looks like on our Dogecoin pool. You go to doge.bitcoinmerch.com. You can see everybody who mines Dogecoin here. I'm gonna type my Dogecoin address and I can see that I'm actually running. I have 2 workers here. This is my worker that we're looking at right now. You can see that I'm actually doing around 130 mega hashes of mining power, which is great. Also, my best difficulty was 167K. Now you need to reach about 30 million to be able to hit a block. That changes depending on how many people mine or so. That's about 1 to 56 chance per year. So if you run this for a year, 1 person out of 56 people will hit a block of almost $1,000. From this platform, you can see everything. You can change the settings. You can overclock it if you wish, although you have to be careful with that because you might void your warranty and also burn your miner. So be very careful doing this. It's better to just leave it as is. Then that's it. That's your platform to change everything. It looks great. Now you can just chill and mine some Dogecoin. So this is the first solo DogeCoin miner in the world. It gives you a chance for 10,000 Dogecoins, and I really truly believe that home mining is gonna take off, and it already is. There's already hundreds of thousands of people doing this, but I believe there are other things you can do like mine Dogecoin as part of your little mining operation in your house. It's really fun, very affordable, and you never know when you're gonna get something out of it. If you wanna grab one of those, check the link in the bio. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel so you can see more videos like this. Our next video will be a bigger version of this with over 300 mega hashes of mining power for Dogecoin. And yes, this can also mine Litecoin. In the future, we'll do something like that. But for now, this is a DogeCoin Solo miner. Yes, you can also hook it up to get small amount of Dogecoins and Litecoins every day using a miner like this. I don't think the small amount is worth the effort, personally. However, you have that option to do so, so I want to make sure I mention it. So if you want to make a small amount of Dogecoins and Litecoins every day, you can definitely point it to a pool that is not a solo pool, and you can get small amounts every single day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.